our next tutorial. In some cases like this one, I may use a rough surface to create the arm and the fingers, and I'll quickly just demonstrate this. I select this part, go to rough surface, choose a resolution, for example like this one, press down, then I'll unselect and we'll select this finger and we'll use another rough surface. In this case, the problem is that we have two quad surfaces and we can edit them separately, but not as a single entity. So that's why there is a command which is called merge surfaces. The way it works, you just select two or more surfaces in the object tree using the Ctrl, holding the Ctrl and mouse click, then you right click and you say merge. Now as you see, this becomes a single surface, and if I double click, now I can easily edit and join them if needed. In such a way, there is this will become my single surface which I can edit, create, render, improve, and build my desired surface. Please note that if the surface has some operation on it, this merge command will not work. Thank you for watching.